welcome to our video. This is Malathi, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. This is a case study video. In this case study, we are going to see about the company of Apple. My student has joined with us. She is going to introduce herself.
Hello ma'am, myself Rubashri. I'm currently pursuing BSc Computer Science in our college. So today we are here to discuss about a case study of Apple ma'am. So Apple is basically a manufacturer company of its own which provide mobile phones for the people ma'am. So it is a premium brand which people always love and stay loyal to that company.
Okay, well done Rubashri. First of all, you have taken this topic as case study. Can you tell me the business strategy of Apple in detail, because that everyone, viewers want to know about it.
So yeah ma'am, sure. So Apple is a premium and user-centric ma'am. So what does mean by user-centric? It is like which we study in our college, design thinking. So in that we use 5 stages of DT: empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. They use that strategy to attract people. That will be the main strategy now. So that helps the people to understand better. It helps them to use it better. So that is the main strategy they use for Apple.
Superb. I was amazed that you have implemented all these things into our design thinking method. My next question is, UI UX are plays the main important role of designing. So can you tell me how does it contribute in our Apple success?
So basically UI UX in Apple is entirely different from other Android and other system softwares now. So Apple mainly focus on simple and not many complex, and they focus on safety and security and privacy ma'am. So these things which contribute a lot in UI and UX ma'am. So they have a simple and consistent one. They bring consistent software update. It should be simple. It is not like very complex, or it is not very difficult to use, which makes the users to use it more. It will be very helpful for them.
That everyone knows. If we are saying it as an Apple, that youngsters are fond of that name, that brand. Do you know how that Apple builds this brand as strong?
Okay ma'am. So when in the starting we just had Android. So everyone were obsessed with Android and people got bored of Android. At that exact time Steve Jobs brought the Apple and iOS. It is different from Android. So it is entirely different, and its main thing is privacy and security ma'am. So which brings the people, they want no one to see, they don't want anyone to see their mobile phones. So they want the privacy first, security first. And Apple has created a branding where it is premium. If it is Apple, it is rare. Not everyone has Apple brand. So it brings a branding, it attracts the youngsters because of the premium and the branding. Apple created that branding by having a DT method and technological innovations and technical integrations and stuffs like that. Same here, our college, I'm very grateful for college for having the DT, because it is only few colleges in our state. So it helps me to understand even more better. So I can learn how the Apple has got the design thinking. So if they ask to me, I can explain it very well ma'am. So they have that same design thinking part. They empathize what the user want, how the iOS should be. They want that, and they are defining it. Okay, this is what we want. This is what iOS should look like. It should be simple. It should be very secure. It should have privacy. It should operate very fast and stuffs like that. Then they ideate it. They do a prototype. Then they give testing to the people. So they'll get the feedback of that, and they'll proceed.
Absolutely, what you are said is correct. And also the branding, also the main thing for the Apple success, that we all need to accept them. This video has especially taken for our students. Students want to know about the case study, whether the branding or the company, what is the behind thing is there for their success or the failure. This is a success based story. So can you tell me in detail about what does the students learn through this case study?
Okay, so me as a student, I learned how Apple is branding them and how they are technically improving the themselves, how they are bringing the upgrades and versions, different versions of that. And it really helps me to understand how a branding should be, how a technology should innovate itself in recent times in a AI growing world. And it is very important to understand also that our college has the DD thing, it is also implying it. So I understand that how to do branding thing and all this stuff. Right? So it helps the students to mainly focus on technology. Technology wise, Apple has evolved so many things and also taught us many things. So from this case study, I have learned a lot.
Superb, Rupasri. I have known so many things about Apple through this video, as well as the interaction with you was very well experienced for me. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a good experience for me also.